Okay, so now in this step, step 5, what we want to do is get a scenario like this, where you got 3 colors on the top. Okay, so you may have this right now, you may have this, or you may have one where you've got just one color. If that's the case and the one color is on the bottom, so let's just pretend it's this, okay? You want to hold the cube so that that one color is in the right hand side towards your chest when you do the next move. So for this next move, in order to get the 3 colors, I'm going to do what I call my favorite move. I've taught my kids this, and this is what we call it all the time, the favorite move. So you hold the cube any direction, and what you want to do is you want to right, clockwise, top, clockwise, right, counterclockwise, top, clockwise, right, clockwise, top, 180 degrees 2 times, and then the right, down, counterclockwise. So now you have this scenario. So we have 2 colors, right? So what we want to do is we want to hold these 2 colors towards our chest. All ends up back at the chest, right? So now we want to do this move again. So you go right, clockwise, top, clockwise, right, counterclockwise, top, clockwise, right, clockwise, top, 2 times, 180, and then the right, counterclockwise. And you keep doing this move until you get a solid yellow. So now that we have the 3 colors here, what we want to do is we want to hold it on our right hand side. We want the 2 colors, and we want the 3rd color on the top left. Okay? So on your right hand, and then the top left, away from your chest. Okay? And then you do that move again. So right clockwise, top clockwise, right counterclockwise, top clockwise, right clockwise, top 180, and then the right counterclockwise. And then you shift the cube so it's in the same position as before. You want the 2 colors in your right hand, and then the last color facing away from your chest. Okay? And you'll know it's the last time to do it when you look at the colors and this is facing its face, the yellow's facing that face, and the back color is facing its face. So away, away, away. But anyway, if that confused you, I apologize. So right clockwise, top clockwise, right counterclockwise, top clockwise, right clockwise, top 180, and then the right counterclockwise. And you should have a completed yellow face.